Imagine seamless transitions from milestone to milestone and study to study with a CRO CDMO partner whose proactive solutions evolve with your study.
Imagine swift decision-making and reduced handoffs with a dedicated cross-functional program manager as your single point of contact throughout your drug development lifecycle.
Imagine having your investigational brochure updated while your IND studies are in progress.
Imagine if you could start planning your clinical program while your preclinical safety assessments are still ongoing.
Imagine starting first-in-human trials sooner by timing small-scale drug formulations with clinical conduct.
Imagine quick and informed dosing decisions based on timed bioanalytical analysis and safety data.
With Alta Sciences, you don't have to imagine. We anticipate the needs of the project from the get-go. With our unique approach to proactive drug development, we move in unison to help you get drugs to patients who need them faster.
Saving me time, money, and frustration? Imagine that. When do we start?